Okay, look, I understand that you might already be angry by clicking on this video, but let me just start by saying there are loads of things that I do love about this show, but there's just something that I can't get past, and maybe you can help me get there. So I've seen this show twice now, and both times I've come away with exactly the same feelings and thoughts about the production. But it seems that my perspective may be somewhat controversial for some die-hard Wicked fans. And whenever they ask me that question, so what do you think? Did you like the show? Isn't it great? I'm like, yes, but... Let's just get some things out of the way that I know we can absolutely agree on, because this is an outstanding production. Everything from the lighting to the set, the costume design, the choreography, the visual special effects. It is an insanely good production. It really is out of this world and it's mesmerizing. Defying Gravity is an absolute winner. Knock it out of the park. It's amazing. Two of the characters, Elphaba and Garlinda, they have some quite nice character development throughout the story. But the rest of the characters seem to lack a little bit of depth. And that's where my issue with this storyline starts. It's the lack of depth, the lack of purpose behind some of the script writing. I know some of you are already going to be thinking, okay, you're wrong. I think there are some really clever links to The Wizard of Oz, particularly with the Scarecrow, the Tin Man, and the Lion. But overall, I just feel like the script writing is a little bit weak. And that's the bit I can't get past. At least with Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz, we're rooting for her to get back home. And there's a human connection to being lost and homesick. But in Wicked, that sense of human connection doesn't really exist there for me, because we are fixed in the land of Oz. We stay in the fantasy world and we never return home. Now, on one level, I can see that there is a human element to it, because we can all associate with feeling different and being treated differently and overcoming those problems. And I think that's a fantastic thing. It's a great premise to develop a really good story that has purpose and has meaning. But, spoiler alert, in the end, Elphaba just runs away with the Scarecrow and they live happily ever after. So, drop me a comment to tell me why. I really want to get past this problem that I've got with the script. So maybe you can help me do that. If you've come this far into the video, then do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, because after I see the film, I think we need to do another update. See you then.